how to view pending transaction in Citibank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to check your pending transaction on Citibank, well here is how to do it from your desktop in just a few clicks. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log in to your account and once logged in you can just click on the account you would like to review like your checking or credit card account. And there inside your account summary, if you scroll to the recent transaction section, the pending transaction will be labeled as pending or shown at the top before posted items. And that's it. That's how you can check pending transaction on Citibank from your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.